Hey everyone, welcome to Sugar Scrubs, and today we'll be making our silky smooth, hydrating, and triple chocolate scented Capricorn inspired body butter. Let's jump into it. So we just added our cocoa butter and shea butter. Now we're adding our cetyl alcohol, then our e-wax, our stearic acid, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil. Now, all these ingredients are added so that it could combine and create that perfectly smooth, nourishing, hydrating, and not to mention calming effect for the skin. So we have both our phases here ready, our oil phase and water phase, everything melted. I just poured the water phase into the oil phase, and the water phase is just made up of water and glycerin, which is a humectant, which is going to bring in that moisture and locks it into your skin, so you get rid of all that dry feeling. So we're just going to blend and combine everything together, just making sure that we make sure that this is turning into a body butter. So this is just going to be set aside until it thickens up a little more. So I'm just giving it a few more blends to make sure that it is thickened up, and it is getting thick. So we're going to set that aside, and now we're going to weigh out our cool down phase, which is our chocolate scent that I just showed you, and our vitamin E, and of course we also added our preservative, because this body butter does contain water, and anything that you're making that contains water, you need to add a preservative to prevent mold from growing. Okay, so now that our body butter is thick enough and it is also cooled, we're going to add some of the body butter to the cool down phase that we just weighed out. So we're going to stir and make sure that we have everything included, everything mixed up, nothing gets left behind. Then we're going to add it back to the whole batch. And in this way, the fragrance and everything that we mixed up before gets incorporated better than if you just add it to it. I still use both method. It just depends on how I feel that day. Because they do work the same. That I find that it does work the same even if you add the cool down phase to the whole batch. You just have to make sure that you are stirring and stirring a lot to make sure you get everything incorporated. So we just made two different containers here, and this is because this Capricorn body butter is going to be two colors, because the colors that are associated with Capricorn, it's brown and gray, and that's the reason why we scented this body butter with chocolate to match the color of Capricorn. So I'm just adding more gold and brown here to see if I can get the dark chocolatey color that I'm looking for, and I think we're getting there. I think we're getting it. Doesn't that look like a chocolate ice cream, guys? And I didn't show it, but I did go ahead and add one more scoop of the brown, and that gave us exactly what we were looking for. So now that our two colors are ready, I'm just going to cover these and put them aside until the next morning to make sure they reach their full consistency. And here we are the next morning. That was pretty quick. But they are thick enough now, and they have gotten to their full consistency. So now we're just going to get ready to pipe this beautiful body butter into their containers. I just love how this looks. It looks like a chocolate and a vanilla ice cream mixed together. And here you have it, guys, your Capricorn inspired triple chocolate moisturizing body butter. We do hope that you like these, guys, and you can find them on our website, diansbathandbody.square.site. Thank you so much for stopping by, and make sure you check out our other products.